Struggling to focus or feeling mentally foggy? Feed your brain with these powerful iodine and choline-rich snacks to sharpen your focus and boost mental energy. Boiled eggs, loaded with choline to support memory and nerve health. Seaweed snacks, a natural source of iodine that fuels brain hormones. Roasted soybeans, edamame, high in both choline and plant protein. Low-fat cheese contains iodine to support cognitive function. Shrimp cocktail, a lean snack rich in both nutrients for neural support. These brain foods help improve attention, learning, and memory, and they're easy to prep and snack on. Fuel your focus the smart way. Comment brain mode on if you're adding one of these snacks to your day. Like, save, and subscribe to Living Healthy for more quick nutrition hacks.